Welcome to our series about 3Shape Communicate. In this video, you will learn how the communication between a dentist and a lab via the 3Shape Communicate portal works and what kind of tools can be used for that. For the purpose of this video, we will show you a case which has been sent by a dentist and will be approved by a lab technician via the 3Shape Communicate portal. Later, the dentist will approve the design. Please remember, a sent case can be reviewed in 3Shape Communicate even if you don't own any 3Shape software. The Cases tab, which is the default tab after you log into your account, enables you to view all cases, approve them, and comment. When you select a case from the list, the Pictures page will open by default. Here you will be able to view the photos made when scanning with Trios. You can click the arrows to view photos from the gallery, or directly click a photo that you'd like to see. The 3D button in the toolbar on the right will open the 3D model page. Here you are able to view the 3D scan in the same way as you would do it in the Trios software or the dental system. The sliders on the right side enable you to change the visibility of the bite scan, color, lower scan, upper scan, and margin line. To write a message or comment, click the Comments button from the toolbar on the right. We will return to this page later. You can view the work order form by clicking on the Trios Printable Order Form button. The form can be viewed directly in your browser. You can also print the order form by clicking the Print Order Form button. The order form will open in a new tab, ready for printing. The last button in the toolbar opens the Additional Files page, where you can view all the case attachment files, excluding the 3D models. You can download them by clicking the Download button next to each attachment. Please note that here you can also download the order form in the HTML file format. If you would like to attach additional files, click the Choose File button, select a file from your PC and click Upload. This file will be visible in the Additional Files page of this case for both you and a lab. Enter the Comments page. Fill in the text box with a message you want to send to your partner. You can also add images from your computer When you finish writing a message, click Send. You are able to view more details of the case when clicking the arrow next to the patient name. After a case review, a lab technician can click Approve to officially approve this case. Please note the pop-up in the lower left corner confirming the case approval. It is important to remember that in order to work on the case in Dental System, it needs to be additionally approved in the Trios inbox. Now, when a dentist logs into his account, he can see the case status has changed to Approved. The icon next to the case has changed and now confirms the approval from a lab. He can also respond to the message in the Comments page. The lab technician will see the response in his Comments page in a couple of minutes. When the design is ready, the technician will send it from Dental System via Kommunikate. It is also possible to add a simple comment. Now you will notice the icon next to the case states it was designed. You can also see some new photos that were added in the Pictures page. The view on the 3D model page has also changed, and now it shows a model together with a designed crown. The sliders enable you to change the visibility of the bite scan, color, upper and lower scan, upper part of the model, lower part of the model, die, crown, and margin line. After reviewing the design, the dentist can respond with a comment. And click the green Approve Case button. Now you know how to communicate using the 3Shape Communicate portal and its tools. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.